Hello guys, this is one more exciting problem. Let us read it out. The body covers half the total distance with velocity v1. For remaining distance, velocity is v2 for half the time and v3 for the remaining half the time. Okay, calculate the average velocity. Now let us first understand the problem. Okay, I always say that spend more time on reading the problem and understanding it rather than jumping to solve it. Okay, so here we must stop, read and understand the problem. Now what is happening here? It is always good to make a small sketch. So I'm going to start from point A here and my final point is going to be point B here. They say it covers half the total distance with velocity v, okay, v1. Okay, so if my total distance is, if I call this distance s, then half the distance, that is maybe this much, that is s by 2 is the distance. Okay, and my velocity, so I start from A and I'm going to reach C here. My velocity is going to be v1. Do I know the time? I don't know, but I can find time. I know the velocity, I know the distance, I can find time. Now what is happening next? Now when I start from C now, okay, up to from A to C it is v1. What is happening after C? Now for the remaining distance, half the time it is v2 and for remaining half it is v3. But now I don't know, now it is half the time, correct? So if from A to C, if my time is t1, then from C to B it is going to take time t2, okay, and for t2 by 2 and time interval equal to t2 by 2, my velocity is equal to v2 and remaining t2 by 2 it is equal to v3, right? So maybe I'll reach somewhere here D and from D to B, that is my final. Alright, so then what is the distance here? What is the distance over here? Okay, my first distance is x by 2 is equal to, distance is equal to speed into time, correct? So that would be v1 into t1. So my t1 is equal to x upon 2 v1. That is number 1. Now here I have the time interval, okay, though in terms of t2 here, and I have velocity. So what is the distance here? My distance is equal to, again, speed into time. So that would be v2 into t2 upon 2. Here distance is equal to v3 into t2 upon 2, correct? Now see carefully. AB is my total distance and that is equal to S. A to C is half the distance, so obviously C to B is again half the distance, right? So if my A to C is S by 2, then C to B is also S by 2, and if I add these two distances, it is going to be equal to S by 2. Therefore I would write, therefore S by 2 is equal to, I'm adding these two, okay, so V2 T2 upon 2 plus V3 T2 upon 2. So that would be equal to V2 plus V3 upon 2 into T2, correct? Alright, now what? Now my total time is, what is the total time? total time is equal to T1 plus T2. Correct. Total time is equal to T1 plus T2. Correct. Now from here S by 2 is equal to V2 plus V3 upon 2 into T2. Correct. And I have to do T1 plus T2. So what is my T1? Is it not X upon 2V1 plus what is T2? It would be S upon V2 plus V3. That is okay, I wrote X here. I should have written writing S here. Okay, it was, I would say, typo. So my T2 is going to be equal to S upon V2 plus V3, right? And total time is, let us call it T. Okay. Now what? Can we simplify? I can take this S common here. S into 1 upon 2 V1 plus 1 upon V2 plus V3. Correct? Now I am going to, I'll just cut this. You can see it later. But then I am going to continue this step further. Okay. So now I am going to take this T below this S and then take this entire quantity over there. Okay. So it is going to be, so S upon T would be equal to, it would be how much? 2 V1 into V2 plus V3 divided by 2 V1 plus V2 plus V3. Correct? Is that correct? Because if I keep it as it is, it will be S into bracket V2 plus V3 plus 2V1 upon 2V1 into V2 plus V3. So what is this? This is my total distance and that is divided by total time. So is it not my average velocity? So V average is equal to 2V1 into V2 plus V3 divided by 2V1 plus V2 plus V3. This is the expression for average velocity. In the description I am going to give you maybe 2 or 3 more problems on the similar lines. Okay, they would be similar to this but not exactly like this. Okay, that is just for practice. You can solve it and maybe get back to me in the contact details given in the description. Thank you so much.